Hi guys, hope you're doing well and you're watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to discuss and download and install latest Windows 11 version 25H2. This version will launch by the Microsoft in the month of the October, but they have launched the preview version so that people can enjoy and give their feedback regarding the 25H2. So I request you, if you are going to plan upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, then you can directly go on to the 25H2, or you can wait for the month of the October so that you will get a official version of Windows 11 as well. So it's on up to you, but as per my point of view, you should try 25H2 and their feature is amazing. So in order to do so, you have to go onto the website uppdump.com. Once you there, then you have to click onto the dev channel. Once you click onto the dev channel, then you can see that Windows 11 version 25H2 is available and built on 26200. Then you have to click on that. Then you have to hit next. Then these mark keep as it is. Hit next. And then you have to keep all the settings as it is. On the ISO is already marked, include updates already marked, and you can ignore this note. No need to worry about that. It is already tested, and it has also been tested by myself twice in my office computer, so no need to worry about that. Just you have to click create download package. Once you click it, package will be downloaded instantly. Now what will be the second step? You have to create a folder. Keep remember that the folder should be without space. The name of the folder should be without space. So you can see that you can give the name 25H2, and then you can move this package into this folder, and once it is there, then you have to extract here. Once you click onto the extract here, then you have to click onto this file and run as administrator. So once you run as administrator, you have to press R button, capital R, and it will download your ISO automatically, latest version of ISO from the website of Microsoft, and it is the genuine copy, genuine preview, so no need to worry about that. Just you have to click R and it will download the original version of 25H2, and it will take around, once you click R, it will start downloading. You can see that downloading, and I have already downloaded it in order to save the time, so I'm going to skip this process. But this process will take around 1 hour to 2 hours. So once this process will complete, you will get this ISO file. It will be created inside the folder of name 25H2. Inside the same folder, this ISO file will be downloaded and created, and in the shape of ISO it will be available. So now we are going to upgrade this Windows 10 to latest Windows 11 25H2. So in order to do so, you have to click onto the browser, then you have to type file OB, once you type file OB, let me check out the recording. Yes, it is going on. So once you click onto the file OB, fly OBs, not file OB, fly OB. flyob, then you will get a link onto the GitHub, first link. Then you have to click on that, then scroll down it, then you have to click here, then it will take you onto the next page, then scroll down it, and then you have to download this file. Click on that, this file will be downloaded. No need to worry about that, just click download the file. Once it is downloaded, you have to click on that, cut, create a new folder, and so that we can avoid the mess. Now we have to extract here. Now we have to click run as admin, run as administrator. Then we have to click on the run anyway. Yes, you will see this page. Now we have to click on to the get Windows 11. Now we have to select the ISO, go into the desktop, 25H2, then we have to select the ISO file. So it will bypass all the hardware requirements, and it will take you towards the installation, and you have to click OK. Wait for a second. You can see that you have an interface of install Windows Server. So here is a trick. You are not going to install the Windows Server. It is basically we have bypassed the hardware requirement, so it is a little trick. No need to worry about that. You are going to install Windows 11 latest edition 25H2. So it will take time. So I'm going to click onto the not right now, but in your case I request you to click the download and updates. In your case I request you to keep this setting as it is, but in order to save the time I am going to click onto the not right now. Hit next. It is checking your PC requirement. All the hardware, all the requirement has been bypassed, and it is giving you a flat installation option. Now you have to select the licenses, keep all the file as it is because we are going to upgrade it, and install it. Next. Now installation is being ready in front of you. You can see that. So we have to wait for seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. I'm going to stop this video. Once it is ready, I will be back, because it may take around 10 to 25 minutes as well, maybe 10 to 25 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, and I will resume this video shortly. So latest Windows version has been installed and it is ready to use, and no need to worry about the license, and license will automatically shift it from the Windows 10 to Windows 11. So no need to worry about the license. Activation settings, if you go on to the, you can see that activation state active and Windows is activated. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Enjoy your latest version of Windows 11 and enjoy your working environment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.